G primed of 4.
That's the
flow.
point.
But it's still going to be negative.
-1. That's what I said.
Right, positive 4?
Yeah.
No, you can't tell what the slope is of that. Why?
Oh, because it doesn't continue.
Yeah. I know what the slope is on this side, but I don't know the slope on this side. This is undefined.
Wow, we just learned how to do this, and they're like, no, we're not going to give you an answer. Thanks.
Well, I just want to make sure you've seen all these different possibilities.
I wrote the word undefined, so pretty.
Okay, skip to page 592.
Why are we going so fast?
Because I want to get through it.
That's what I was wondering too.
Yeah, we're skipping like every other problem.
Well, I'm not going to do it in super duper detail. I need you to get through it all so that when you see it, you won't be like, oh my god, I've never seen this before.
I just guess.
I will still say that mistake.
Yes.
I know you will,
Like-
but I can say, yeah, you did.
Yeah, I will still conflict.
Okay. So on page 592, the continuous function of f is defined on the interval block.
How is this continuous?
It's not.
Well, it just told me it was.
It's not different.
From -4 to 3, it's continuous. It's not differentiable,
Yeah.
but it's continuous.
That's what I was saying.
Meaning there's no holes in it or anything like that.
That's
The graph consists of 2 quarter circles,
It is.
1 line segment,
Yes.
as shown in the figure above.
Oh, I see it.
I
Good.
have to show you.
And then it gives you the equation for g of x.
Woo.
So I want you to start and find g of 3.
Okay.
Now notice this is a graph of what?
G, F.
F.
G, F.
Ooh.
How was my G?
Because F is in the equation for G.
Ding, 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 ding.
So, I don't even.
You're making it way harder.
I am, and I know it, but I don't know what to do.
Yes, you do. Just plug in 3.
Okay, look.
You try to find g of 3.
So it's just,
This is
9.
hard.
Don't overthink it, y'all.
9 plus.
Do that little bit.
So,
Yeah, this one tastes good. Is that the 0 sugar one? Yeah, this one tastes good.
I would say, yeah, but it's so much better for me. No, not really. Come on.
It's an energy drink.
mine has 46 grams of sugar.
Hers is a lot better because it's an energy juice and you don't taste that caffeine.
Yeah.
How's
Because there's like,
It's like- it's
gonna
literal-
be caffeine in both of them.
I know, but that kind of hides it better than that one.
yeah.
And it has
but,
that
like,
weird taste because there's no sugar.
I like
Caffeine's still in it.
3rd through 5th, like most.
It's just saying how the taste is better. The
Oh,
one with sugar.
I thought you were talking about how it's better for your body.
No.
That's probably worse because you don't have that weird kick of the caffeine in it.
This is
So you're just like
16%
chugging it.
juice. So
Okay,
anyway,
do your work.
so would this just be 1/2 of 9 plus the antiderivative of 0 to 3 of f of 3?
We'll figure that out.
Yeah, you had to figure that out.
That's what I did. And then now I'm stuck. Now I gotta find 3. Where the heck is 3? All the way down there.
Yes.
So I only have a trapezoid. Oh, I have a triangle and a trapezoid.
Are you sure?
I have 2 triangles. Where do you have a trapezoid?
Ashley put me to sleep.
No, I should be really awake. I've drank like half that.
I have to pee my pants.
And that's what happens when you drink caffeine.
I know, but it's only with monsters that I have to pee this much.
I mean, there's a lot.
How do you know I have a trapezoid face?
Am I looking at a different graph than you? I have 2 triangles.
What do you get?
Are you okay, Ashley?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my god, Angela.
What'd you get?
1.5
Probably better than me. I haven't even got that far yet.
or 6.75.
I don't know, because it's not even on a
Is that
real
what you
line.
both got?
No, I got
Would it not just be 4.5?
I got
Mhm.
1.5.
Because, hey, no, it's 4.5 because the triangles are on opposite sides, so it's 0.
They're the same triangle.
I didn't even find the triangle and I figured that out.
I keep doing the wrong one. Oh my goodness.
I feel so smart.
Okay. So G of 3,
Yes.
I plug it into that equation. I get 1/2 3 squared
Mhm.
plus 0 to 3 of f of t dt. So that's 9/2 plus 0 to 3. So this is f of x. 0 to 3. So we have a triangle up here and this triangle down here, which are the exact same triangle, just on opposite sides. So yeah, it is just 9/2.
I have a question though. Why don't we count that bottom triangle? Like, why don't we do that?
Why don't? Because it has to do with position. This is under.
There ain't nothing there.
This is above. Remember, it's the total of the area, and there isn't any because one's above and one's below. They cancel each other out.
Can we do -4 too?
The next one?
Yeah.
No, I'm going down below it. Sorry.
Did you prime?
Yep.
Great. Great.
I mean, you can do it if you want to. It isn't like I'm going to constrain at you. I'll even tell you what the right answer is.
Oh, could you?
8 minus 2, 5. That was not for G prime of 3, by the way. He
No.
was talking about G of -4.
So this is when I plug in.
So we're doing G prime of 3.
Yes, we're doing this one right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this would.
So what I will do tomorrow and the next day is I will post notes, and I'm sure I'll have you upload pictures of those notes that you've taken so that we can keep going, because obviously we can't not have class for a full week before the AP exam.
So are there tests next week or the week after?
Next week. It's Tuesday.
Oh my gosh. I thought I had another week.
I was talking about that with my friends, and they were like, "That's the dumb." I said, "Yeah."
We're basically seniors.
We gotta earn.
So, derivatives are, I'm sorry, I'm literally stuck on derivatives. They're,
What?
Wait, would I leave it as the X, or would I just?
Well, you're going to find G of X, and then you're going to plug 3 in place of X.
I'm talking about
Talking about F.
yeah, like, because in the equation for G, it's 1/2 x squared plus the antiderivative of f of x.
So when I plug in that X, would I have it
You're
as
going
an
to plug
X?
in 3.
Okay, we're just plugging in 3 for that at the beginning.
I would find G prime first.
We already did that.
Yeah, then plug it in.
See, for the derivative, you multiply the coefficient times the exponent. Yeah? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And then drop it by 1, correct?
Right.
Gotcha. So this is just x
Yeah,
plus the f of x.
that's what I did.
Okay. Okay.
What did you
Now I
guys
know.
get? You still thinking?
I just figured out how to do derivative.
I think. I also feel like I did it wrong.
Well, just tell me, and then I'll write down all the answers here.
I have X minus 3.
X minus 3.
I got 3. X plus 3. X plus.
X plus
No.
I got X
Then we
minus
plug in 3 for X, so that'd be 6.
6. Okay. So if you plugged in 3 for X on this one,
That'd be 0.
it'd be 0. Right?
Would it not be undefined because there's just not a slope?
Undefined. Steven, what'd you get?
0.
Okay. So let's see.
Oh, rats. I'll go with 0.
Yeah, I forgot I have to plug in the 3.
I keep putting
I think would be
Forget
0
my
to
negative 3.
Okay. Okay, so I just rewrote g of x.
Yeah.
Alright, so now g prime of x, 2 times 1/2 is 1. Lower it by 1, so that's just x. Plus, now when I take the derivative of an antiderivative, I put this in there.
Oh, shoot.
So it's f of x times the derivative of x, which is just 1.
Oh, okay. Which I did that. Okay.
So this is g prime of 3, which is 3 plus f of 3. So 3 plus f of 3.
It's -3.
Okay, if I plug it in up here, yep, sure enough it is negative.
So I did do it right. I just thought it was too easy and I was going crazy.
So 0.
I just did plug in 3.
Quit second guessing yourself.
Are you doing the next one?
We are doing page 599.
Oh, wow.
999.
That's 6 pages.
No, I lied. 597.
997. Well, I'm already there.
How many pages is the homework?
You're not doing the
We're
homework.
not doing homework.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, baby, oh, baby.
Okay, so
No.
we're going to talk about integrating composite functions. So, for example, when we took the derivative of a composite function, it was a chain rule. That's when we developed the chain rule. So now we're going to basically go in reverse. So what happens if you have something that you would normally take the chain rule of, but you're doing the antiderivative?
Take the anti-chain rule.
The anti-chain.
You're going to divide.
Okay, so here we go. So let's start by doing a derivative. So we have sine of 3x.
What's the cosine of 3x?
So f prime of x, yes, is the cosine of 3x
Times 3.
times 3.
Uh,
So it's 3 cosine of 3x. Make sense? Alright, so if I took the antiderivative of 3 cosine of 3x,
would it be like 3 cosine divided by 3?
what should I get?
Uh,
You take the antiderivative.